folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I have the J.A. Roby Rigel stove here, and I am going to give you guys some temperature readings in the warming oven. Now I've had loaded into my medium fire. This has now been burning about 35 minutes or so, and so I want to let you know what you can expect in a warming oven temperature. So right now the warming oven at the bottom is sitting at about 112 degrees. 105 degrees at the rear, and then the top of the warming oven here is sitting at about 120 degrees. So we're probably at about 115 degrees in here after 35 minutes. So basically, to get this oven up to about 250, 260 degrees does take about 2 hours, maybe 2 to 3 hours, depending on the type of fuel that you're burning and how steadily you're feeding the stove. So there is definitely a warm up process to that. If you guys enjoy these videos, if they're helpful for you guys as you're shopping for cook stoves, please don't forget, give me that thumbs up. Sharing my video with a friend helps me out so much. Don't forget to click that subscribe button in the corner of the channel. God bless. Have a wonderful day.